COVID, guys. One of the plus of the pandemic was that I could concentrate on the local production. And, I make my own macerates, my own products. And we launched a new line of candles of beeswax and soy wax. And this is the spiritual collection Abundance, Love, and Divine Bliss, launched this year. Moreover, this is my brand new collection of own macerates. So it's Magnolia from Romania, Lily of the Valley from Romania, then Acacia Salcâm from Romania. This is the new entry, and I wanted really to have this in my raw material collection. This is Sock collection, linden flowers, tuberose, honeysuckle, caprifoil, and there's a new freesia and the jasmine. So these are my new babies, which sure are included in the Fleur de Roumanie perfume collection. So expect new lines from the Fleur de Roumanie collection this year. Maybe with acacia, maybe with sock, with linden, something new. With tuberose, with freesia, more, and then sure, Queen of the Night. Yes, I have the Queen of the Night. Beautiful magnolia, the signature of our house. Thank you for today. Back to work. It's a lot of work and lots of surprises. Stay tuned.